the difference between the word vision and dream? They may sound quite alike, but there is a subtle and discerning difference between these two words, which is used quite commonly in leadership circles. I mean, what is the detailed difference between vision and a dream? To put it simply, a dream is something that may only be achievable beyond your lifetime. A dream, usually it's a concept or an idea which is so big that it may require more than your lifetime in order to achieve it. Now that's a dream. So usually dreams are big. They are usually humongous. A vision, on the other hand, is something so clear, something so definable that action must be taken, because a vision must be accomplished and achieved within one's lifetime. Meaning that you cannot, you cannot feel satisfied, or you go through life restless until that vision is accomplished, because vision must be something that must be achieved within your lifetime. Here lies in the challenge for personal leadership. Personal leadership is a lot about translating your dream into a vision. Most people out there are dreamers. I mean, if you ask them, what is your goal in life? They will say, well, my goal in life is to be happy. Now, words like I want to be happy, I want to be successful, I want to be wealthy, and so on. These are all very dreamy words. These are words that are way up there. And when you drill down a little bit and ask now, how do you know whether if you're happy? How does success looks like to you? How do you know that you have achieved enough? And you could probably see a faraway look in their eyes. This is because they have not taken the step to translate their dream into a vision. So most people go through life with very good intentions, called dreams, but this intention is not translated into a set of instructions because there is a lacking in the process of coaching. Well, if you find that you are still very dreamy in life today, I would like to strongly encourage you to consider getting a coach, getting someone who can help you to dream outside of the box and take specific steps into translating that into a series of specific vision that can motivate you to wake up every morning. So let me offer you 3 filtering criteria in what to look for in a coach that can help you translate your dream into a vision, so that you don't go through life dreamy-eyed with good intentions and not being able to achieve much in your lifetime. Can we be anything we want to be if we try hard enough? The answer is no. And many times, in the name of benchmarking and in the name of comparison against world-class standards, we forget that each individual's dream, that each individual's natural wiring is unique and different. So the right type of coach begin by focusing on the positive, natural potential and tendencies of the client. It's not becoming someone whom they are not. It's instead becoming more of who they already are. And instead of the traditional approach on improving on weaknesses, the right first step to take is to focus on strengths, so that the client can focus on becoming more of who they already are, rather than to benchmark them against someone whom they are not. When I coach someone, I love to ask them to relate to me times when they have been successful, times when they feel energetic about what they do. I love to spend time to study their success rather than failure, because focusing on success helped me to distill down to a few transferable traits, to a few key talent, which then can be replicated and transferred into other situations. So this is a key step in strengths-based coaching that can help someone to translate their dream into a vision, when you spend more time studying on their successes rather than focusing on improvement areas, which is a politically correct term for weakness. And focusing on weakness will only get you back to ground zero. It will not get you back to a place of excellence. So spending more time, people need to spend more time to study your situations of success rather than failure. Now, it's not that we do not deal with weakness. We do deal with weakness in a sense that we learn to manage it. And yet the focus is still on strengths. In a strengths-based coaching approach, there are strategies to dealing with strengths, strategies in locating for complementary partners, leveraging on systems, and so on, are very practical strategies in dealing with weaknesses. But the key thing is, while we manage weaknesses, the majority of our effort should be spent on developing strengths, because this is where the greatest ROI comes in. This is where the vision becomes a reality. In managing the weakness here, this would entail certain practical strategies, but it ought not to distract you from focusing on your strengths. You know, in the traditional approach of personal development, the starting point is usually on areas of improvement, areas of weaknesses. Now, this is putting the cart before the horse. The right type of coaching that can help you translate your dream into a vision is that which begins from who you already are and becoming more of who you already are. That is what strengths-based coaching is all about. So if you're going through life and work right now, being more dreamy than visionary, consider getting a strengths-based coach that can help you to identify your positive natural potential, who can help you to study more of your success and failures, and also to help you come up with practical strategies, not to be distracted by your weaknesses, but to come up with practical steps to manage it while you focus on the greatest ROI of your life, and that is based on strengths. You only have one life to live. Live it well, according to your strengths and not your weaknesses. Think about it.